In this video, I show you how to fix call automatically cut problem or could not make a call problem. For solving this problem, swipe down notification bar, tap on airplane mode on, off, on, then go to settings, scroll down, then go to apps, tap on search icon, search for phone app, tap on phone, scroll down, tap on storage, tap on clear data, tap on delete, tap on force stop, tap on OK. Now search for reset, tap on reset, tap on again reset. Now tap on reset network settings, tap on reset settings, enter your pin or password, then again reset. Now call someone. I hope that this method fix call automatically cut problem.